Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Vedic Maths. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum marks is 30. Guys, remember to read all the instructions before attempting the question paper. Okay, so here's the question number 1 for you guys. You can zoom it for. It's very difficult for me to read such questions, but you guys just can see on the screen and you know how to solve it. Okay, these type of questions will come in your exam. Okay, so question number 2. In a competition, of drum of water has to be filled by contestant. First to contestant pour 4.5 liters of water and then 3 by 3 liters of water in a drum, while second contestant pour this fraction liters of water and then this long drum. Find the constant contestant will pour more water in the drum. Okay. उसके बाद B part is this one. You can see on the screen. Let me zoom it. Okay, you can. So question number 3, compute the with table with boy numbers. Okay, respective angles के हिसाब से. There's the table. Now let's go back to the B part. There's the B part. Money went to buy clothes with his father. They bought 3 shirts at the rate of rupees 5 each, 2 jeans at the rate of rupees 7 each, 6 handsuits at the rate of rupees 16 each, and 12 stuffs at the rate of rupees 7 each. Calculate the total amount money spent on shopping. Okay. Here's the question number 4. Let me zoom it. You have to find the root of this 5-digit whole number, and second question factor is this quadratic equation. As for the last, it's B part. Explain the concept of circling a square using Bodhaya Sutra method. If you guys want any other, thank you. If you guys want any other PYQs of any other subject, do mention them in the comments. I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.